Hey there, Sank everybody. Hope you guys are doing good. I got a very, very good question recently, and the question goes like this: are sniper bots halal to use in crypto? Without any further ado, let's get this video started. Hope you guys are enjoying the video, and as you guys are, hit that subscribe button. Let's make that mashallah money together. Okay, first thing first, what is a sniper bot? A sniper bot is a bot that you can put on any crypto project that's going to the market very soon, like ICOs or IDOs or whatever you want to call them. As soon as their token goes live, these bots jump in, they buy it right at the very pinnacle, right at the bottom, right when it's about to start. Okay, so we're gonna make a graph like this. Okay, this is the Y and this is the X. Okay, this is the time and this is the price. As soon as the token gets launched, it goes like this and then it goes boom. Before it goes boom, these guys want to buy right here. This bot's job is to buy right here, and then his job is to let it ride out and then sell here. Okay, and majority, we're saying about 70 to 80% of projects, as soon as they launch, they go up. Because especially projects, a project is gonna go up because of what happens before them going public. Because they do a series of whitelisting and they should do a series of round one, round two, where it's more of a privatized sale, which is through vesting. Let's just say the token is about to go public. Before it goes public, people find out it's a sold out round one, round two, sold out whitelisting. You can't get access to it. So you know right off the bat, as soon as it goes public, it's gonna go up. Correct? Makes logical sense. 80% of the time, probability wise, it'll go up. If I know something's gonna go up 80% of the time, my investor mindset would be like, yes, I want it. Okay, I'm in. So because the probabilities look good, the sniper bot jumps in, buys it at that point, sells at that point. You reap in a massive profit for yourself. Alhamdulillah, you're out. Now, is this halal or is this haram? The first thing we have to think about the project itself, the white paper, the light paper, the Sharia compliancy of the token, of the project, of the team itself. And for that, I've made videos about how to tell if a token is halal or not. And I mean, for that, it requires some effort, right? You're gonna have to spend like 20 hours doing detailed research about the project. You don't want hidden things to come out later on, or you don't even read the white paper and you find out, okay, they had involvements with direct involvements with something with alcohol, and you benefited from that. Then guess what? You're gonna give all that profit to sadaqah. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah.
Oh my God! Wow!
The reason why I'm laughing is because been there, done that. Okay, so khair, if the token itself is fine, then you have to make sure that the bot itself and the combination of the ratio of the bot, for example, if it's USDT to token X, is what's limited in there. And you gotta make sure whatever the bot is doing is permissible in the sense that it's not doing leverage, it's not gonna end up doing compounding trading, it's not gonna end up getting involved with other ratios. It's only gonna be USDT and X, or USDC, or whatever stablecoin it is. Majority of stablecoins are permissible. So that stablecoin and that token. Then from the majority of the opinion is that no, yeah, you can commission, you can have commission of towards a bot. You can commission a bot to do the trading for you. There's no problem in that. The token is fine. The method of trading is fine. No problem. Now you just have to be cautious about one other thing there. The issue where I think that where Sharia compliance can come is that if there's not a lot of liquidity, and let's say you are massively manipulating the market, there might be an issue from that element where there's market manipulation. However, if you're just like playing as a small role and there's a lot of people involved, and a lot of people are buying and selling and trading, and this is just a common thing that's happening, being part of you buying low, selling high is just another part of trading. However, if you're buying very low, manipulating the market upwards and dumping it, that's where the issue I can see is because of market manipulation and pumping and dumping, where that is an issue. Kat, if you can analyze these things for yourself, these three elements, one, the token, two, the methodology of the bot, and three, the how badly is it affecting the market itself, and you can make a well-educated guess if it's okay for you to get involved or not. I hope you guys like this video. Put in the comments below what you think about what I just said. Check out my other social media, and as always, take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum.